Our first topic is how to create single ledger. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounts Info. Then go to Ledgers. Now select Create below Single Group. In Name section, type name of the ledger. After the name, you can see option of Alias. Alias is an alternate name. If you have alternate name, then write, or you can skip this option. Now, there is an option called Under. Select a group name according to nature of ledger under which that ledger comes. You can also create new groups from here without going back if required by pressing Alt+D. Watch my previous video to know how to create groups. In next option, it is asking whether inventory values are affected. As we are creating capital account, it has nothing to do with inventory, so keep this option as no. Moving forward, write address, country, state, PIN code, bank details, and PAN number of the company for which ledger is created. If there is any opening balance, write the amount. As it is a capital account means, it should be credited. Press Enter or Y to accept the screen. Today's second topic is how to alter or delete single ledger. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounts Info, then Ledgers. Now go to Alter option under Single Ledger. Open one ledger which you want to alter. Make whatever changes you want. Press Y or Enter to save changes. To delete a ledger, open a ledger same as we had done for alteration. Now press Alt+D. Press Y or Enter to accept. You can see, ledger is deleted. Coming to third topic. How to create multiple ledger. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounts Info. Then go to Ledgers. Now select Create below Multiple Group. Select a group name from the list in Under Group option. Now type the name of ledger you want to create. If there is any opening balance, write the amount. As it is a creditor's ledger having positive opening balance, means it will be credited. Similarly, write all the name of ledgers you want to create. But you can create ledgers only which comes under same group. Press Y or Enter to accept the screen. Today's last topic is how to alter or delete multiple ledger. To alter multiple ledger, go to Alter under Multiple Ledgers tab. Search by the name of group. Now make changes you want. Don't forget to save changes. We cannot delete ledgers from Alter option of multiple group. To delete ledger, we need to go to Alter option under Single Ledger. We have already learned how to delete a single ledger in this video.